day I'm going to buy a new daily for me. I'm here with and with Akio. He's paying. His window is fucked up, so he needs to open the door to get out. Let's go.
Let's go! Magnus new car, let's go! Let's go! My man! My man! The Corolla! The Corolla got here! Let's go! So, Mr. Magnus, how's the new car? How's the new car?
Man, it's not that fast, but you know, you can get around with it.
You still have no stereo. Taking photos.
You're gonna
of
have
the
copyright
Certo,
about that.
taking photos of the machine. Look at this. Look at this scenery. Look at this.
At home, guys, the new daily. See right here. Really nice touch there. It has that wing that I like. You know, it has a decent trunk size for a small car. Don't mind the junk. It's in good condition, so that's what we like and want for a daily. Toyota. I got this. It's all retro style. He has this weird shifter, as you can see. Yeah, it's a nice little car. Low mileage. But yeah, that's it, guys. So guys, we just got this new torque wrench and we're grabbing stuff into it. Let's go.
We are eating tonight.
We are eating like kings tonight.
Look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Now let me eat.
Today's another day and we are going to replace the spark plugs. I got all the material here and I'm going to paint the valve cover as well, so stay tuned. take the heat shield off. Finally off, guys. Let's paint it. Okay guys, let's first clean this up a bit. I'm gonna use this high heat paint, you can see. Guys, second coat. Now let's wait till it dries and then we can put it on the car. All done, let's go for the paint. Check it out. You can see. I just need to put the heat shield and the spark plug cables and we're done. Let's go. Okay guys, it's all dry now, as you can see. Even the bolts right here. So got everything screwed up. Everything is in place now, as you can see. I mean, it turned out awesome. What do you guys think? Leave your comments down below. I think it turned out real good. Yeah, now let's put the heat shield. Okay, let's connect this back. Screw this shit. Okay, let's check. Okay, it's in tightly. Okay guys, let's change the spark plugs now and the ignition cables. Pick this material up. Now let's start from the furthest one to the closest. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you a little trick that you can do. In my case, I don't have those magnets that you can fish the spark plug out. You can do, if you don't have that, it just pick your spark plug wire and just stick it down there, and there it is. There you go. Okay guys, let's drop in the new plug. Very carefully. Okay, it's in there. Let's start it by hand. And then, because I don't have a torque wrench that fits this, I mean I have a torque wrench, that bigger one that fits this size, but the minimum newtons that you can torque, it's 40, and these spark plugs are 28, so yeah, we're going to have to use the whole trick. That basically is just, you have to tightly this until it's snug, and from where it's snug you just turn a little bit, so here it's snug. Now just a little bit more, and that's all it is. So I have them playing here by size, so it's easier for us. Now let's put the new cable in. Now let's go to the inside of the cable here. Like that. Now let's use our trick. Stick it in. And there you go. Okay, let's apply some dielectric grease in here. Carefully. So it's this one. Let's put it in. This one, let's go around a little bit here. Okay, here it goes. Hear the click. Okay guys, so let's turn on the car, see how it sounds. I replaced that carpet because it was always sleeping under the pedals, because this doesn't have much grip. You can see this one has way more grip. See? So I use this Momo one that I had on my daily, so it doesn't get under the pedals when I'm in a toge or doing other stuff. Real good. Let's turn it off now. So that's it for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, it really helps our small channel. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.
Feel the same way.